Welcome back. Today's video will show you how to connect an Xbox One controller to use on your Windows 10 PC via Bluetooth. You don't need the official Xbox wireless adapter to do this, only Bluetooth capabilities on your PC, but you may need a newer Xbox controller. But we can try it out anyway. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips if the video helps, and click the card now to watch a video of mine after this one showing you 10 easy ways you can boost your FPS in games in Windows 10. But let's get into today's video. The first thing we need to do is check that our PC or laptop has Bluetooth and that it is turned on. To check, go to the main settings page by clicking on the cog icon within the start menu. In settings, choose devices. By default you should be in the Bluetooth settings, but if you aren't, then choose Bluetooth and other devices from the list on the left side of the settings. In here, if you have Bluetooth, you should be able to turn it on at the top with the toggle switch. If you can't turn it on, your PC or laptop may not have Bluetooth. You will be able to buy a USB Bluetooth adapter in this instance, and these don't cost very much at all. Turn on Bluetooth if it isn't on already, and now you should see an option called Add Bluetooth or Other Device. Click on the plus to the left of this, and the Add a Device window should open. Ignore where it says Xbox Controller, and click on the top option called Bluetooth. Your PC will now start searching for the controller, so you now need to turn on the controller and press the Pair or Connect button, which is the small circle-shaped button located near the charging port. The light on your Xbox One controller should now start flashing rapidly, and after a few seconds it should show up on your Windows 10 PC. It will be called Xbox Wireless Controller or just Input, and you need to click on it and allow it to connect. It may take a few seconds, but Windows should say it is ready in a notification. The light should now just stay on the controller, and that means it is connected. Click Done and then you're ready to play. If there are any problems, make sure the controller is within range to your PC and double check that the controller isn't trying to connect to another device such as your Xbox. You can turn that off and disconnect it if it interferes with the connection. If you ever want to remove your controller and disconnect it from your PC, for example after using it to save the battery, then come back to the Bluetooth settings and find it on the list of devices. It should be in the mouse, keyboard and pen section. Click on it once and select Remove Device, then Yes. And so that is how to connect your Xbox One controller to be able to play on your PC using Bluetooth. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.